Hey students, how y'all doing? I just wanted to send out a help video for those of you who are trying to register for my Zoom tutorial, which is every Wednesday from 1 to 2. I know some of you were getting an error message that says you are not eligible to participate. I've contacted a couple people within our technology department, and they've given me a couple of tips and tricks to help you get into that Zoom tutorial. I'm going to recommend that you try this now so that next Wednesday we've already got all the issues figured out and you're able to participate. All right, I'm going to turn on my cursor here so you can see where I'm going. I'm going to go up here to the upper right corner of Google, and I'm going to click on the three little dots in the upper right corner. And then I'm going to slide down and I'm going to choose history. I'm not going to click yet. I'm just hovering over history. And I'm going to come over here and choose history again. And I'm going to click it, single click it. When we get to history, you're going to come over here and click clear browsing data. Click that once. It will open up a new tab. Under basic, you're going to choose all time. You're going to clear your entire history. That'll include your browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. This doesn't mean it's deleting anything off of your computer. It's just clearing your browsing history for Google Chrome. So I'm going to click Clear Data, and that little circle will spin for a while as it clears out your Google account from its browsing history. Once it's done, it'll disappear, and you can click off of that tab, and I'll get rid of this tab. I don't need any of these tabs. These are all extras. And then you should be able to go to Schoology, and I'll sign into Schoology. And then once I get to Schoology, I'm going to go to any one of my courses. I'm just going to use Biology Period 2 as an example. I'm going to go to my my weekly class agendas, or schedules, I should say. Weekly class schedules. I'm going to click on week 2. That's the week that we're currently in. Then I'm going to slide down and I'm going to find the link for Zoom tutorial. There's a link here. If you need it, the passcode is here. I'm going to open that up. Now for me, it's going to go directly to my account. For you, you'll have to register. The times are already preset. So our next one is October 28th, and then they run every Wednesday all the way into December. So once you register, you should be good to go for all of those because it's the same link every time. And from my understanding, you should get even a reminder. Okay, that should get you into the Zoom. I would say try it now. So if there's any issues, you can contact me, let me know, and I can investigate it with our technology department further. The only other tip that they gave me was to make sure that you're always using your GUHSD Gmail account to log into your computer, to log into Google Chrome, and to log into Zoom. Our district requires that you use your district email address, not your own personal Gmail. That will lock you out of Zoom. All right, students, I hope that helps. I did have 5 or 6 kids successfully get into Zoom tutorial yesterday. It definitely helped all 5 or 6 of them. I was able to help them. So I hope that you can attend next week if you feel you need it. It's not required, but it's definitely there. It's just another way to get in contact with me. Don't forget, you can also email me, Schoology message me, remind text me, leave comments in Gameful, and now you can have Zoom tutorials. So there's 5 major ways that you can get in touch with me. Especially if you're distance learners, please don't hesitate to contact me. No question is too big or too small. I answer them all. I want you to be successful. We need you to be successful. You can be successful in my class. The only way you can fail is if you stop working, and I know you're not going to do that. All right, let's shine bright this semester, students. Let's shine bright. Have a great week, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.